In this AI tutorial video, I am going to show how to write an ebook using the artificial intelligence software ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an AI web app. It got a free version which is good enough to write an ebook. I'm providing the link to ChatGPT down in the description below so you can register and follow along with me the next step. So over here, as you can see on my screen, this is ChatGPT over here. And if you type something, it will give you a response. So let me just show you how. If I type in hello, 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 it will reply me back. Hello, how can I assist you today? So this is an artificial intelligence software, and the main purpose of using ChatGPT is to produce contents, such as you can write an essay with ChatGPT, you can translate a language with ChatGPT, you can write blog post using ChatGPT, and also in this video which I'm going to cover, you can write a full book using ChatGPT. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how you can write a self-help book using ChatGPT. Okay, so firstly, which you can publish on Amazon. So I have wrote several books using ChatGPT, and I've also published them on Amazon. But for like for security purposes, I cannot share which books I have wrote and published using ChatGPT. So I'm just going to show you how to write the ebook. Okay, I'm just going to show you the same way which I have wrote the books. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do, you need to go to Amazon.com, Amazon, Amazon.com. Okay, then you let's go to all. Then let's go to Kindle e-readers and books. Then go to Kindle books. Okay, then over here hover over categories and you can search for any categories you like over here, but for now I'm going to go to self-help. Okay, now I'm going to go to popular, and you see that there are lots of books over here. So what I'm interested in is about is I want to write a book about productivity, so I want to take an idea from this book, Atomic Habits. Okay, Atomic Habits. So this is one book. And another book I like is this. Okay. Okay. So this is another book. The Seven Habits of Highly Effective People, Powerful Lessons in Personal Change. Okay. So these are two books. Okay. So what I'm going to do, let me just go ahead and write down. Suggest me 10, maybe 15. Sorry, let's just go with 10. Self help book names never written before. Okay. Take inspirations from the names of the following books. Okay, quotation marks, and I'm going to just copy the title of this book. Okay, maybe this one, and okay, okay, great. Okay, so it's you see it's writing down the names. Okay, here are 10 fresh imaginative self-help book titles inspired the structure and tone of the titles you mentioned. Micro wins, simple steps to spark lasting change every day. The 5 patterns of productive minds. Habit stacking, build momentum with tiny shifts. The power of consistency. I like this one. Unlock the progress with small, steady actions. Okay. Intentional living. Six strategies to sustain your actions with the purpose. Breakthrough rituals. Trend transform. Okay. Daily impact. The focus formula. Practical distraction. I also like this one. Okay. This one. Focus formula. Okay. Because we are filled with distractions nowadays of social media. Okay. Sustainable success. Crafter love grows with you. Momentum. Okay. So let me number four. I like this one, the focus formula. Okay, focus formula. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so for this book, I'll copy this and I'll write down for the book. Okay, write down 10 chapter names which will be in this book. Okay, right? Okay. So for simplicity's sake, I'm just doing 10 chapter names, but if you're going to write an actual book, you should include, I say, like around 25 chapters or 30 chapters, so the book will be a bit thick. Okay, when someone will order the um paperback book or hardcover book, it will be printed. Okay, so if the number of chapters are a bit less, then the book's going to be thin, and the person who purchase the book is not going to be happy. Okay, so for now, as an example, I'm going to show that there will be 10 chapters in this book. Okay, so for the book, the focus formula, a practical guide to eliminate distractions and get things done. Write down 10 chapter names which will be in this book. I'll hit enter. Okay, here are the 10 chapters name. Okay, okay, let's go through the chapter names. The science of focus, how your brain handles struggles with identifying your kryptonite, spotting hidden distractions of your life. The 80-20 mindset, prioritize what truly moves the needle. Deep work versus shallow work, understanding the difference. The art of single tasking, why multitasking is a productivity myth. Building a focus friendly environment, optimize your space with success. The power of micro goals, breaking big tasks into actionable steps. Digital detox, managing technology to work for you, not against you. Flow state fundamentals, technique to enter and stay there. Sustaining focus over time and habits of long-term success. Okay. So you got all the chapter names. Okay. So I'm just going to show for a couple of these. Okay. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy this part. Okay. So copy this for the book focus formula practice 9. Okay. Write down chapter 1 and make sure that you give the name of the chapter. Okay. Otherwise, it's going to ChatGPT is going to somehow change the name. Okay, so we need to be stay consistent. Okay, paste the name. See, now hit enter. So you see it's writing down. Okay, so it's done writing down chapter 1. Okay, then I'll just show. I will just write down two more chapters just to show you. Copy this same exact thing. Okay, scroll down and then you go over here and replace 1 with 2. Go up and over here copy the name of this chapter and over here paste this name over here and then hit enter again. Chapter 2, you see it's writing down chapter 2 now. Okay, maybe I can show you another chapter over here. Okay, I'll just copy this. Sorry, this was where is the another prompt I had? Chapter 2. Okay, over here. Now copy this and let's do this for chapter 2. Chapter 2. Okay. Sorry, chapter 3. Chapter 3. So I'm going to just do this for again for chapter 3. Okay, I'm going to replace this with the name of chapter 3. Okay, it's writing down. Okay, great. So, okay, okay, great. So I've written down 3 chapters, okay? And if you want to write down the other chapters, you need to follow the exact same steps, okay? Exact steps I've shown you to write down the other chapters. Okay, great. Now all you need to do is just go to drive to your drive and copy paste the chapters. Okay, I just show you for one of them. Okay, I'll just add new Google Doc blank document. Okay, so I'll just what you need to do now is just copy the chapters. Okay, I'll just scroll down and there should be an option to copy this. Okay, over here, and I'll just paste it on Google Doc. Okay, paste. And you see that the titles um like you see the titles over here, you see this title and it is with this hash. Okay, so you need to like edit it again. Okay, you need to edit it and make it like this. Okay, maybe for the title you can set it to h2 and maybe you can make this bold. Okay, bold, etc. Okay, maybe you can also over here you can make it bold over here, bold. Okay, and for this all you need to do is just make it a list like this. Okay, list. And so you see you get it that you need to just edit it. Okay, so you need to edit the chapters like to make it look the way you want with proper editing. Okay, and you simply need to write down like follow the same thing for the rest of the chapters, copy paste these chapters into a Google Doc. Okay, and this is actually how you write an ebook um, using ChatGPT. Okay, and in my next video, I'm going to publish a video of how we can convert this Google Doc. Okay, this Google Doc into an ebook, uh, using Kindle Create, which uh, which you uh, which will produce a book you can easily upload on Amazon Kindle. Okay, or publish on Amazon easily, and it will get approved easily. Okay, so this is how you do it. So I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, then please make sure to like this video and also obviously subscribe if you want to watch my next video of how I convert this Google Doc into an ebook, which you will be ready to upload uh, on Amazon Kindle. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Thank you.